Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I have just a quick update to my last Dollar Tree haul. I had shown a scarf that I had bought, a St. Patrick's Day scarf, and I said it was for the mannequin head that I like to decorate. I tell you, I have so much fun with this mannequin head. I'm so happy that I found it and I decided to try something like this. So I finished the video. I put the scarf on Margie, as I named her, because it was the only thing she was missing. And I wanted to share with you Margie's St. Patrick's Day outfit. This is the scarf that I had in the haul. It's the infinity scarf. The glasses, the headpiece, those are from Dollar Tree. The bandana that she's wearing, the St. Patrick's Day bandana, that I found at the dollar spot at Target, but that was only $1 also. So I had her dressed up for Mardi Gras, and I posted her on YouTube. So if you wanted to go back and take a peek at what she looked like before this, please go ahead. But this is Margie. She is definitely ready for St. Patrick's Day. But again, I'm having so much fun with this. I found the mannequin head at Goodwill for 99 cents, and I painted it. I gave her some eyelashes and some silver eyeshadow and her red lips, so that's pretty much her basic style. But it's so much fun picking up all these little decorations that the Dollar Tree or Target or Dollar General has some. But it's fun to pick them up and use them on her. So I've already found some Easter things for her. That will be the next holiday coming up. But anyway, just real quick, I wanted to share her. I hope you like her. And thanks again for tuning in. Until next time, bye-bye for now.